So we have defined one variable a which is inside the class BCD. If you try to access the variable directly, we have not specified any access specifier, static, private. So it is the default access specifier. When you try to give value to the variable, so we have declared one variable which is inside the class. So this becomes the instance variable. This variable is called the instance variable. Variables which are declared by the static keyword are called the class variables. And if you define any function, so variable which is declared inside a function becomes a local variable. So this variable is available only to the function for which it is defined. We cannot access the value of the variable outside the function. So now first start with our instance variable, one variable which we have declared. Inside the main function we are trying to initialize, we are trying to access the value, assign the value to the variable a and print the value of the variable. So when you do that, save the class. So one class we have defined BCD, we have declared one variable, we have declared one static variable, we have declared one local variable. We are trying to access this instance variable inside the main functions, trying to give the value. So let's save the program and run the program. So static, we have not defined the data type for the variable. So you can see that a static variable, non-static variable is static difference from a static constant. So this will give the error because we cannot access the instance variable directly. So when you want to try to access the instance variable which is a, we can access the instance variable only by creating the object of the class. So we will create one object. So we will comment this out. Now we will try to initialize the values by using the object of the class b1 dot a equals to 20. So now when we are printing the value of a, we have to write here b1 dot a. So variables which are declared inside the class becomes the instance variable. They can be accessed only by creating the object of the class. We have created one object b1 dot a is equals to 20. We have printed the value of that instance variable. So now we will try to save and run this program. So we will do the compilation. So we have not defined the string argument class, therefore it has given that error. Okay, now we have solved that example. A is 20. So our main method, we have not defined it properly. Public static void main string square bracket and args. So to access the instance variable, we have to create the object of the class and then access it. We cannot access the instance variable. Static variables can be accessed directly by the class name. The name of the class is bcd. So if you want to assign the value to b, we can give the value to b as bcd dot b. So static variable can be accessed by the name of the class and the variable name. So here b is defined to be static. So we have created the name of the class we have given, and we have given the value of b to be 30. So when you compile and run the program again, semicolon we have to put, we have not inserted the semicolon. We can see the value of static variable is 30. Then variable c, which is defined inside the class, is not accessible outside the class. Suppose if you try to access it by using the class object as well as by the class name, it is not accessible, it is not available to outside the function, it is not available outside the function. So we are trying to access that value using the object of the class as well as through the class name as we access the static variables. We will get the error once we run this program, because c variable is defined inside the class function fun, so cannot find the c symbol. So you will get the error because it is available only to the program for which is defined. So how we can access this local variable? This local variable can be accessed only by the functions. We have to call this function to access this variable. So the value can be defined inside the function. Either this will return, we can go for the return type as, we can initialize some values to the variable and return the variable. So the function will have return type. So when we call the function using the class object, this function will return the c value. So using the object of the class, we can call the function. So these things will not work, so we will delete these things. So object of the class is b1 dot fun. Now we are calling the fun function, which is returning an integer variable. The function, previously we have defined the data type, return type for the function as void. The function is returning some integer variable, therefore we have changed the return type of the function as fun. So now when we have tried to call this function, the function is some returning some integer variable. Therefore, we use some integer variable to store the values b1 dot fun. Now we can print the value of the local variable. So you can see the local variable which is defined inside the function value is 20. So variable which are declared inside the functions are called local variable. They are available only to the function for which is defined. We cannot access the value of the local variable outside the function. To access the value of the local variable, either we can carry with the return type of the function. So the function will return that value. We will declare the data type for the function as int. Using the object of the class, we will call the function. Since it will return an integer variable, we are declaring one integer variable to store the value that it is returning. So in this way, we can access the instance variable. Variables which are defined inside the class are called instance variable. Variables defined with the static keyword are called a static variable. Variables defined inside the function are called as local variables. So now we are trying to see what is the default value for the static variable. So we have whatever the value we have initialized to be, we have removed that, and we are printing the values directly. So the default value for the static variable is 0. If you are not initializing any value to the static variable, the default value, if you directly print the value by using the class name, the default value that is initialized to the static variable is 0. Similarly, we can try for the instance variable also. So the default value for the instance variable is also 0. The default value for the static variable is also 0. In this way, we have seen what you mean by local variable, what you mean by static variables, and what is an instance variable. So variables that are declared inside the class are instance variable, and variables which are predefined by the static keyword are called static variables, and variables which are defined inside a function are called as local variable. Now if main is also a function, public static void main, this is also a function. If you define certain variables here, so this becomes local to the main function, it is accessible directly. We can directly print the value of t. Okay, because it is inside the main function, it can be accessed directly. So you can see the value of t. So value of t is 70 because it is defined inside the main function. It can be accessed directly. It becomes local to the main function itself. Therefore, it is accessible directly. So in this way, we have seen the different types of variables which are named as class variable, static variable, and the instance variable. So class variables which are declared inside the class are class variable, or we can also say these are the instance variables. Variables which are defined by the static keyword are called as static variables. Static variable also called as the class variables, whereas variable which are declared inside the class are called instance variable. And inside the function, the variables are local. So local function cannot be accessed outside the functions. The function can carry the return value, then we can call the function and check the value of that variable. So in this way, we have seen by what is meant by class variable, static variable, that is instance variable, and the local variable, and also the variable which are declared inside the main functions.